Francois and Perrault own 2 sled dogs. They need more dogs, so they buy Buck. Sled dogs work as a team. Each night, Francois feeds the dogs. He divides the food and gives each dog the same amount. Let's use division to see how much food Buck gets. Francois bought 12 small fish for the dogs. We will call the 12 fish the dividend. We will separate the fish into equal groups by dividing. Next, we add the sign for division. It is a line with 2 dots. There are 3 dogs on the team. We call the 3 dogs the divisor. The divisor tells Francois how many equal groups of fish there will be. Next, we add the equal sign. Let's help Francois figure out how many fish he can give each dog. We can do this by giving fish to the dogs one by one. We have divided all the fish among the dogs. We can see that each dog has 4 fish. All of the dogs have the same or equal number of fish. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. Francois and Perrault buy more dogs and more food. Francois buys 18 small fish to feed the dogs. We call the 18 fish the dividend. We will separate the fish into equal groups by dividing. Next, we add the sign for division. It is a line with 2 dots. Now there are 9 dogs. The 9 dogs are the divisor. The divisor tells Francois how many equal groups of fish there will be. Next, we add the equal sign. We are going to use a bar model to help solve this problem. First, we draw the bar. Next, we label the bar. We label the bar with 18 because we are dividing 18 fish. The fish are divided among the 9 dogs, so we must divide our bar into 9 equal parts. Now we have 9 equal parts of our bar, 1 part for each dog. Now we can solve our problem. Let's think about what multiplication problem can help us solve this problem. 9 times a number equals 18. Do you know what number we need? We need the number 2 because 2 times 9 equals 18. I know I should put 2 in each part of my bar. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. I know I'm right because 9 times 2 equals 18. The 18 fish are divided equally among the 9 dogs. Each dog has 2 fish. Francois and Perrault brought a lot of fish to feed their dogs. I wonder if they have room on the sled for their own food.